with you.
So I'm doing like 3 recipes today, for Mother's Day, so you can see what Mama Shra is going to be eating. The first one is a T-bone steak that I'm doing. So here it is, right? Check the video out. I know you're going to enjoy it. Watch what I do. Hey, this is Shrashira. That's the best elevator music I ever heard. Now for the steak portion, you see what we have here. I have some T-bones, okay? And these 2 T-bones combined is about 2.65 pounds, right? And they're thick. But what I'm doing is I'm gonna have them sitting out here on the counter for about anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour, so they get to room temperature before we cook them. So I'll be back when it's time to cook them. Now, since I'm going to be reverse searing the T-bones, I'm going to be bringing my barbecue thermometers out. Okay, they're wireless. The probes go into here and then into the meat. This guy will be with me, so I can always watch it, no matter where I'm at around the house or outside. So when it gets to the appropriate temperature, we can go to the next step. It's almost time, right? Probably got another 15 minutes or so. In about 5 minutes, I'm going to start preheating the oven. And we're going to be preheating the oven to roughly about 275, 280, okay? And we're going to bring that temperature of that meat. We're looking for, well, Mama Shra likes her steak, so we're looking for at least 130 degrees, right? Maybe 135, but anything for her, anything 130 to 135, she'll be happy with, okay? Now, anything over 135, I won't cook. I just won't do it. If it hits that temperature, I'll just throw it away. You shouldn't be eating a dry steak. When you bite that steak, you shouldn't feel like there's tumbleweeds going across your mouth. That ain't happening, not on my watch. So let's get ready. All right, let's get these on the rack. Turn this guy around this way. Where the bigger part, or the thicker part is on the outside. There's a reason behind that, because that's where the probes are going to go. Okay? Let's get these probes in. Into. Actually, before I do that, let me season this real quick. Season with some salt, kosher salt. And this will take a lot of kosher salt. Let's turn it over. More kosher salt. Turn this guy over. Right? And some black pepper. And black pepper on it. A little pat. Just kind of press the pepper in there. Got pepper on there. Okay, I pat it in. Now, we're gonna add the probe. I'm gonna put the probe thickest part of the meat in the center. Just be careful, do not touch the bone. On this side, get in the thickest part without touching the bone. Now let's connect the electrodes to the sensor. And so you can see me doing that now. Connecting them. Turn it on. There we go. 63, 64. Now let's get these in the oven. Now I'm going to get these in the oven here. Perfect. Watch. Mind my electrodes here. I want them to come out on each side. And I have a zip tie here that I'm going to hang my probe to. Okay? And then remotely, see I get the temperature. Alright, let's let this percolate. Alright, now we're going to put our steak on. Give it about 90 seconds per side. And this bad boy will be ready to go. Alright, now we're going to flip this bad boy. And give it another 90 seconds. Alright, let's plate this bad boy up. Alright, so here's the steak, good to go. It's all ready. Got the herb butter on top. It's going to be delicious. If you like this recipe, hey, try it out for yourself, right? Like, comment, and share. Let me know what you think. Hey, if you're not already subscribed, join the peanut gallery. Hey, let me know what you're thinking about. That being said, this is Shrashira, and I'm out, because clearly we're about to eat.